Hi, I'm Mr. Worker.
Introducing the DeWALT Laser, your ultimate partner for precision and productivity. With a powerful green beam and a remote control that works up to 100 meters, you can tackle any job with confidence. Need to adjust? The horizontal and vertical settings allow for up to 90 millimeters of precision. Plus, with a remarkable 9 hours of battery life, you can power through your projects without a hitch, thanks to the included battery. Whether you are working on stairs or ramps, the 4-degree manual tilt function adapts to your needs. And with 3 brightness settings, visibility is never an issue, even in challenging light conditions. Durability? This tool is built to last, with an IP54 rating for water and debris resistance. Keep your projects on track with the high-visibility green diode, reaching up to 80 meters or 100 meters with a detector. And do not forget the battery level indicator. Stay informed and ready to work. Discover the complete details at the link in the description.
Mr. Worker. Work tools for professionals.